A festival in Shishori Podolye in Ukraine, 2006 or maybe 2007, I went as part of the Merlin Shepherd Capella, which is my husband's band, all stars from the former Soviet Union, Moldova, Ukraine and Russia. A couple of guys who immigrated to Germany, but they still represented Russia and Ukraine. So 11 of us in the field, Ukrainian festival of their folk culture. People wearing Ukrainian folk shirts, quite nationalistic, as you can imagine. This is where they let their steam out, being Ukrainian and loving their culture, and eating Ukrainian food and doing all these Ukrainian, special Ukrainian fighting, special Ukrainian eating, special Ukrainian music, folk crafts and arts and all that. And we were one of these different bands brought into this festival. And they loved it. And these Ukrainians danced to our horrors and shares. And I taught a nigunim session in the field in Ukraine. Now, that's really near the origins of nigunim. And there were 100 people sitting in that field in a huge circle, and me teaching them this nigunim. And that was great. Now, mostly Ukrainian people singing nigunim in Ukrainian field at a Ukrainian festival and loving it. I think this is meaningful. This is important. I think this is how we should all be.